Hi, in this lecture I'm going to explain what is Maven and how to set up Maven on Windows system. Maven is a build management tool. There are different build management tools available in the market. Both Maven and Ant are most popular build management tools. The advantages of Maven over Ant are Maven creates folder structure automatically and performs the compilation, testing, packaging and deployment of final product. Maven increases reusability and takes care of most of build related tasks. And here we don't need to download jar files and no need to add those jars to the project library in Eclipse. Maven itself uses the repositories to manage jar files. That is, we need to specify the required dependencies in pom.xml file. So then when you perform click action in Eclipse, Maven automatically downloads all the jar files for specified dependencies from Maven central repository into your local repository. Let's see in next lecture how to add dependencies in pom.xml. Here, what is pom.xml? POM is project object model XML file that contains information about the project and configuration details that can be used by Maven to build the project. So some of the configuration that can be specified in pom.xml are project dependencies. In next lecture, I will explain what are the different dependencies required for mobile app automation and how to configure those dependencies in pom.xml file. And plugins or goals that can be executed and build profiles. Now let's download Maven and set up environment variables on Windows system. So before downloading Maven, prerequisite for Maven is Java. So you must install the Java in your system in order to proceed with Maven. So and then set up environment variables. So now download the Maven. After installing the Java and setting up the environment variables, you need to download the Maven. So to download the Maven, open the browser, Google search with download Maven. Here open the first link, maven.apache.org download. Open the first link and download the Maven for Windows. So here there are different Maven binaries. So first one is tar.gz. So this is for Mac OS, and we need to download Apache Maven 3.6.3 bin zip file. So this is for Windows. So we need to download this distribution file. After downloading the file, you will get this zip folder. So we need to extract this zip file by right clicking and click on extract all. Yeah, now we need to place this folder in any of your directory in your hard disk instead of C drive, because if you format the system, so it will get deleted automatically. So for that we need to download copy this folder and place it in any directory in D drive. Okay. We need to set up the environment variables the same way we set up the Java environment variables. So after setting up the environment variables, you can check whether the Maven is successfully set up or not through command prompt. To do this, open command prompt and type the command mvn-version. Hit enter. So here we did not set up the environment variable so far. So we are getting exception like mvn is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So we will get this exception as we did not set up the environment variables. So now let us set up the environment variables. Now to set up the environment variables, Now open environment variables window, search for environment, edit the system environment variables. Now click on environment variables button. Now we need to set up the system variables. So we need to set up two variables. One is for Maven home directory, and we need to append the path variable to bin path. So first one we need to set up Maven home directory. So this is the Maven home. So new one, variable value is home path of Maven, and you can give Maven underscore home or m2 underscore home. Next we need to append the bin path to the path variable. Bin path to the path variable. So this is the path variable. So click on edit button and then add the bin path to the path variable. That's it. Click OK and then click OK. Now we can verify whether the Maven is successfully configured or not. So mvn-version. So here you need to again open the command prompt, mvn-version. See, Apache Maven 3.6.3. So we have successfully configured the Maven. Okay. Sometimes you may get exception though you have set up the environment variables. So in that case you need to restart your system and then verify the same command mvn-version to check whether the Maven is successfully configured or not. So that's it for now. Thank you.